Our question is, write a program to accept a word and display its all characters in separate line. If the given input is hello, then the output should be like that, HELLO. Okay, so how it will work? Because I'm accepting the string by using the scanner, that's why here I am including import java.util.star, right? Then program name, then main method. Here I'm making the object. Okay, then giving the message, enter one word. To accept a one word, we have to use next method, not next line. Keep remember, I'm using the next method, not the next line. Okay, so next method I'm giving here. So string s equals to sc dot next. Only one word will be inputted. Now I will change the case to uppercase. Okay, s equals to s dot to uppercase. Then after that int len equals to s dot length. अच्छा देखो मुझे करना क्या है? What I have to do? If the input is hello, whatever user is going to be input, I have to fetch the letter. Okay, and I have to display. Means I have to fetch the letter and I have to display it. So one letter I'm going to fetch. So which method we are going to use for the fetch? Obviously char at is the method to fetch the character. Means string में से character निकालने के लिए जो method use होता है वो method होता है char at. तो मैं अगर करूंगी char at 0, देखो जैसे कि अगर ये string है str dot char at 0, राइट? तो कौन सा फर्स्ट लेटर आ जाएगा? एच. फिर इसके बाद दूसरी स्ट्रिंग में लिखूंगी str डॉट केयर एट 1, राइट? फिर तीसरा लिखूंगी केयर एट 2, लाइक दैट. पर अभी इन दिस केस if I'm initializing the string, then okay. But if I'm accepting from the user, like the scanner I'm using from the, I'm expecting the string from the user, so user can input anything. So now in this case, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मुझे कितने कैरेक्टर फैच करने? Means care at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means how many characters are there in the string? First of all, I must know this, right? So that's why to know that how many characters are there in the string, we should use the length method. Am I right? तो str dot length method हम use कर लेंगे. Okay. फिर length method से मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा कि कितने characters हैं. Okay. Suppose user is inputting hello or user is inputting anything else. Suppose hello, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो कितनी length हो गई? 5. Means till the care at 4 str dot care at 4 तक मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा, right? But again and again the same statement I'm writing now. Care at 0, care at 1, care at 2, care at 4 till the length. So what I can do? If n number of the statements or the single statement I'm going to repeat again and again, so instead of writing it again and again, I should put that statement into the body of loop, right? I have to execute the loop. तो ये जो टास्क है कैरेक्टर फेच करने का, ये टास्क मैं लूप में डाल दूंगी. See the question. Display its all characters in separate line. Okay. Display its all characters in separate line. सेपरेट लाइन में सारे कैरेक्टर्स डिस्प्ले कराने. ओके. मीन्स डिस्प्ले कराने का वर्क और फैच करने का वर्क मुझे बार बार करना, रिपीट करना है. तो वो दोनों टास्क, बोथ द इंस्ट्रक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डाउन इन दी फॉर लूप. But before that, I will convert the string into the uppercase because I want to fetch the letter in the uppercase. So whatever the user is going to be inputted, entire string I'm going to convert into the uppercase. Okay, this program you can write. So s equals to s dot to uppercase. To uppercase is the method to convert the given string into the uppercase. Then after that, I will calculate the length, because the length method is giving in the integer on the given integer. Okay, so given in return type as the integer. तो int length s equals to length, तो string की length calculate हो जाएगी. Now doesn't matter user is inputting hello or user inputting your word or your name or my name, whatever. Okay, so whatever input, whatever value will be inputted, that value is going to be calculated the length. Then after that I will execute the loop from 0, because index position always start from the 0. So first letter exists on the 0th position. So here I will start from the 0 and less than length. Less than length because 0 से start कर रहे हैं ना. Not equals to length. अगर मैंने equals to length किया तो array out of bound means index out of bound हो जाएगा. Because 0 से start किया है. That's why less than length. If there are the 5 characters, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 character हो जाते हैं 4 index तक. That's why less than length. Keep remember this. So what I have to do? I have to fetch the character. So here I am making the one character variable. Then किस string से निकालना है? S से. क्या निकालना है? Care at I why? Because I 0 position. So it will fetch from the 0th position. Then loop will increase 1. Then it is going to be fetch from the first position, then again 2, then going to fetch with the second position, then third, then 4, then 5 till the length. Less than length minus 1. And simultaneously we are printing in the separate line, print ln ch. Okay, so see, let me compile it. Execute. Here I'm entering Java. See that JAVA capital in the separate lines. Means what I did in separate line, what I'm making, first of all I'm fetching the characters. ठीक है, इस प्रोग्राम में हमने क्या किया, स्कैनर से पहले इनपुट कराया है. You can take the input by using the method call also, doesn't matter, you can do that. Then because according to the question I have to display in the upper letters now, so मैंने fetch करने के पहले ही पूरे string को upper letter में convert कर लिया. ओके, ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि मैं एक एक कैरेक्टर फैच करूं, देन बिफोर डिस्प्ले आई कन्वर्ट दैट लेटर इनटू द अपर केस. देन इन दिस केस यू हैव टू यूज कैरेक्टर रैपर क्लास. सी, अगर स्ट्रिंग को कन्वर्ट करना है तो स्ट्रिंग क्लास का टू अपर केस यूज होगा, बट अगर कैरेक्टर को कन्वर्ट करना है तो कैरेक्टर रैपर क्लास का टू अपर केस यूज होगा. ओके, दैट यू हैव टू कीप रिमेंबर. नाउ इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट टू यूज. Then after that I'm calculating the length of the string because loop मुझे चलाना है. Then I'm starting the loop by the 0 till the length minus 1. Okay, that's why it is less than length. Then I'm fetching the characters and displaying the characters. It is very easy. And this is the variable table. Let's see what is the variable table. In each program you have to make the variable table. Variable table means in which we are writing that how many variables we have used in this program and what is the use of that variable. Okay, so serial number, name of the variable, data type and description, right? So in the serial number, obviously serial number you will write. So first of all I have declared s. This is s variable. What is the data type of s? String. What is the use of it? To accept the value from the user. Okay, second is len. Data type is integer. See that, int len. What is the use? To store the length of the string, right? Then I, it is the loop variable. Loop चल रहा है ना I से. Okay, then ch I have used. What is the use of the ch? To store the character. So care, to store the character. In the description, I'm writing the description of the. Acha. Now what the mistake you can do? Sometime what happen? यहाँ पे ये लिखने की बजाय हम क्या करते हैं? See in the question now it is given example. तो हम समझते हैं यही यही है, क्वेश्चन ही यही है. So what you sometimes students what the mistake done? यहाँ पे ना बजाय इसके वो क्या करते हैं, लूप चलाने की बजाय यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं हेलो ऐसे डॉट केयर एट 0 like that. So this statement is correct. It's going to fetch the character. यहाँ पे care कुछ लिख देंगे char. Suppose ch1. Okay. So this statement is correct, but this program is not correct because it's going to fetch the character of the hello only. जबकि हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, जो यूजर इनपुट करे उसमें से फैच कराना है. Understood the difference? So you have to accept the value from the user. You can use the scanner or you can use the method call. Okay. Then according to that program you have to do. I hope it is clear.